Here's the good news, and this is the part I love to share. AI doesn't make decisions for you. That's not how it works, and really that's not what you want. What AI does is take the cognitive load off the small stuff, so your brain is actually available for the decisions that matter. Let me walk you through some real examples. Email responses. You get an inquiry from a potential client. Instead of staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what to say and how to say it, you open Claude or ChatGPT and type, "I got an email from a potential client asking about my services. Here's what they said. Can you help me draft a warm, professional response that invites them to book a discovery call?" You paste in their email, and in about 30 seconds, you have a solid draft. You read it, you tweak one or two things to match your voice, and you send it. That decision, the one that used to take 15 minutes of agonizing, took 3 minutes. Content planning. Instead of sitting down every week and trying to figure out what to post, you can have a conversation with AI about your business, your audience, and your goals. I help small business owners simplify their operations using AI. My audience is women 40 and up who feel overwhelmed and behind on technology. Can you give me 10 content ideas I could use this month? You get a whole list, you pick the ones that resonate, done. That's a decision that used to take an hour of scrolling and second guessing, reduced to about 15 minutes. First drafts of anything, proposals, emails, social media captions, follow-up messages, FAQ sections for your website, descriptions of your services. You don't have to start from a blank page anymore. You tell AI what you need, give it some context, and it gives you a starting point. You're editing and deciding, not creating from nothing. And editing is so much easier on your brain than creating. Thinking through decisions. This is one I don't think people talk about enough. When you're genuinely stuck on something, a business decision, a pricing question, a situation with a client, you can use AI as a thinking partner. You can type out exactly what you're dealing with and ask it to help you think through the options. It's not going to tell you what to do, but it can help you see the angles you haven't thought of yet, and it can help you get out of your own head. Scheduling and admin. AI tools can help you draft responses to scheduling requests, write follow-up emails, create templates you can reuse again and again. Instead of typing the same confirmation email for the 15th time, you have a template that takes 60 seconds to personalize.